can text the word code to 65588. You'll now get 2 entries for 250, or you can text the word extra to 65588 to get the on Friday. Now you need to be by your phone in case it rings. You've got to be 18 or over. Get free entry.
That's it. That's come.
That's what they come, yeah, that's what they come as custom, yeah.
It's the custom. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's the custom, not the classic. The classic's got a 17-inch.
Yeah.
What do you want it?
Yes,
It's heavy old grease, doesn't it? It is compared, but that's because the big thing's got wide bars, about 21-inch wheel, flips about.
Yeah, she's lovely.
How's it ride? It's lovely. Is it? It's very different. You've got to be used to the front.
A few moments later.
Think of the bike then?
Huh?
What do you think?
It's a cool bike, man.
Go have a look at it.
Yeah, you just ride carefully now. Finish your milkshake.
Oh, I'm done. It don't look too bad, does it?
I like the handlebars.
I think I'll keep the handlebars.
Look of it.
I got to get rid of the stickers, got to get rid of the mirrors, get rid of that sissy bar. Alright,
I like it.
following me, yeah? Alright.
One eternity later.
We got something new. Kawasaki VN900, 2008. 11,000 miles on the clock. Fuel injected. Black and chrome cruiser. Had to be done. Had to be done. .21-inch front wheel as stock. This is the custom, so really cool 21-inch front wheel. Cool T-bars, they might go. V-twin. Some not stock mufflers. It sounds quite good, but probably will get another radio exhaust for this one too. Clean. Some bits of rust here and there, but overall clean. So the plan with this one is similar to the Yamaha. I've still got the Yamaha. It's just sitting at my mum and dad's. Can't quite work out the gearing issue on that. I needed a bike to go to Trip Out on, which is next Friday. Obviously now I'm a dad. Didn't really have the time to look into the Yamaha too much before the trip out and fix the issue. I wanted a fuel injected cruiser just so I don't have to worry about carbs and stuff like that, so it's a bit more reliable. This popped up pretty cheap, quite close. Again, another perfect bike for me to tinker with because it's just my style, black and chrome, clean. So what I'm going to do is another radial exhaust. I love that radial exhaust in the Yamaha, so I'm going to get another one for this. I'm gonna go different air filter. I'm gonna take the sissy bar off, take this touring seat off, and get a really nice low profile swooping custom seat that I've just ordered from Customized Choppers. That's gonna come from Italy. It's hand stitched with like this like fantasy flame artwork. It looks sick. I think I'm gonna change the bars. I rode this back an hour and 20 minutes. I did 69 miles on it last night to get home, and the bars are slightly too low for me, so I'm either going to extend them somehow, or I think I'll just go spiky apes. I want to take this like early 2000s West Coast chopper, American chopper, Orange County chopper style, with like the spikes and the chrome and the big front wheel, things like that. I've seen it done before. You can lower these by 2 inches, which I'm going to do with a lowering adapter. That just lowers the monoshock 2 inches, so the back will sit a bit lower. Potentially extend the front forks just to give it that bit more of a chopper look. I think I can make this really nice. I've got a picture of this in my head, all done, and it looks sick with like this really, it's got really nice curves. Look at that tank, it's got like a really nice curved tank. We'll have a nice curved swooping seat. Yeah, I am very hopeful for this. I'm going to take every single Kawasaki badge off of it, so no one's going to know what it is unless you know about these bikes. I'm getting a little chrome cover to cover this. I've got a little chrome headlight shroud on the way. Potentially do a bit of a tail tidy there, but I don't mind it. I don't hate it. It's got a lot of clean chrome on it already. Love that front wheel. Got them spiky grips on already. So yeah, possibilities are endless. Yamaha XVS is staying. Even if I don't get it working this year, that's just going to be a cool bit of artwork for the new yard, because I love the way that thing looks. This has got a little bit more power, 50 horsepower. It's a 900cc engine. It's fuel injected, so it's a little bit more reliable. It's obviously done a lot less miles. That XVS has done 40,000. This has done 10. It's cleaner. Yes, this has got a bit of rust on it, but not as much rust as the XVS. This isn't a rat bike, whereas that XVS is a ratty kind of bike. Just thought I'd show you, keep you updated. I'm going to start cleaning this up, taking some bits off. I'll pick you up at some point in the near future. Peace. let me talk you through the plan for the VN900. I'm thinking radial exhaust. Absolutely love that radial exhaust on the XVS, so I'm going to do exactly the same on the VN900. Now, AliExpress, our favourite cheap and cheerful Chinese wholesaler, we can get these for £114 that look pretty sick. This is exactly where my XVS exhausts come from, and I was really happy with the quality. I thought they looked good, and I'm gonna do that. I could, if I wanted to spend money, get the real deal, but they are £1,000. The real ones are £1,000. Cobra make them. Obviously they'll probably sound a lot nicer, they'll probably be a bit more reliable, but I'm not willing to spend £1,000, so I'll spend 10% of that and pay £114 and get them from China. I think they'll look sick. Next up is the seat. Now, I have already ordered the seat. This is going to be sick. It's hand built in Italy. It goes with the beautiful curves, low profile, and then it's got this inlay, really cool, like dragon fantasy inlay. So that's going to come. That looks sick. Look how nice that looks with the curves. Yeah, definitely getting that. I have purchased this little tail light cover, which just adds a touch of chrome, gives it a little bit more of the custom look. I'm going to go for one of these air cleaners, again from the brand Cobra. Really cool iron cross, you know I love all that stuff, very West Coast chopper-esque style. That's going to look sick on it. I want to get one of these. This brand, Baron, seem like they do a lot of stuff for the VN900. I think they're based in the USA. I'd like to get that. You know, I love flames, skulls, spikes, chrome. That all looks sick. Radiator cover, again, chrome, skulls, flames, all over that. Get that. Get that as well. A little rectifier cover to match. This is the 2-inch lowering kit. So that allows the monoshock to drop 2 inches to bring that back down. So I'll definitely get that at some point. It's not on the priority list because it is quite a big job to do, but we'll definitely get that. Everyone raves about these pulleys. So again, they're from the brand Baron. So this basically adds more teeth to the pulley, and what that does is it will lower the revs when you're going along at motorway speeds. So if you're going along at 70 miles an hour, instead of it screaming, it should lower the revs a little bit and not scream as much. Apparently these are really, really worth doing, so that is definitely on the list. Inspiration, I love this look. You know, this like old school swooping chrome exhaust. Look, it's got the same seat I've just ordered, the radial exhaust that I'm going to get. That is me all over. Absolutely love that. Also love this one. Not as cool, but still clean as. So that's been lowered at the back, you can tell. He's kept the stock bars, which I'm tempted to keep. Chrome, really nice. Love all that. So I think that's what I'm going for. That's the aim. Obviously black and chrome, but that style, you know, not too like skinny and tall. I'm going to keep it quite low and go just like this, really. Maybe not as far as this because he's chromed everything out, but yeah, that is very much inspiration. That's the plan. I'm going to drink my coffee. I'm going to play a little bit more World of Warcraft. If anyone does play World of Warcraft Classic, feel free to join me. I have only just started playing it. I'm level 12, never played it before. I've always been a RuneScape guy, but I'm very much enjoying the grind. Anyway, that's me. Far too excited to show this bike off, so I want to get this video out. I picked the bike up last night. I usually try to post every weekend, but first day today, I might just bang this one up. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Next week is the Trip Out event. Me and Austin are going to go on the cruisers. I think all the guys from Old Boot Bikers are going. I think the Mint Custom guys are going. Lots and lots of people are going. It's over in Ipswich. It's a big motorbike, hot rod kind of custom machine show. Really excited. Baby's crying. I gotta go. Bye.